Hi guys, my name is TJ and I'll be showing you this. I'll be showing you a waterfall. This is just the river. It's up there, but we'll be walking up in a little bit, so. Will we be walking back up?
Yeah.
Awesome. Look at the water. Oh god. Coming down. We're going close to it. I could do it. Just stay right here. Look at it. It's cool. Can you even hear me? Because this stuff, probably not. Do that part. Going back up. That's part of it. Whew.
Got a lot of jumping rocks. Waterfall is cool.
Okay, so keep still going. Not much things. I wish I could balance across that. I don't know why, but I do. Whew. This is pretty fun, actually. Can't really see it through the trees, but. Hey, you probably can't see it now. I was holding the tablet up high so you guys could see it. But hey, Dad, up here. Hey guys, we're also gonna get to look in a log. It's hollow. Can you see through it? Yeah, you can. See this log? Looking through it. Hello, down there. It's my dad. Hey, Dad, look up here. You could go and look up there too. Yeah, that's not anything. Dad, king of the hill. I'm on a big hill right now. Okay, I'm going down. Hope you guys like this. Yeah, this is awesome. I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe if you do, but this ain't the end though. I have to stop to make it to where the camera shows the water a bit better, because when I just look at it with the camera, it makes it all white, so it looks bad. There's a big tree in the way. Down there. So where are we now? Can we go up and look at back that way?
You want to go back this way?
Yeah. Back the cool way. We're going back out this way now.
Down the river, I don't know that.
Yeah, I was seeing it up there.
Okay, we're going up to the waterfall now. We're going exactly back from where we pretty much just went down. But when we get to the top, you're going to be able to see the waterfall. So, the prize is at the end, I guess. Oof, these big stairs. It's more work. Whew, there's the log again, a hollow one. Whew, this is but you guys, this is actually kind of tiring. So yeah, this is the first video I've made going to Boise. If you've seen the vlog at my house I told you guys about where I'm going, then yeah, you'll know what where I'm going pretty much. Dad, where are we?
We're outside of Bend.
Right now we're outside of Bend,
Bend, Oregon.
So pretty, and on our thing that shows us, on our thing that shows us how long we have and where we have to go to get to Boise, Idaho, where my mom lives. It's 7 hours and something. Look at these huge stairs. That was a lot of stairs. And here's some more. Whew. Climbing up. This is fun, I guess. Whew. All you could really see is the ground this whole time. Let me show you some more of the river if I can. I'm just gonna hold it sideways and talk while it's next to my face. But I could kind of see the video, or so I can tell where it's pointing a little. Sand is pointing at the stairs. Whew. So tiring. The waterfalls are really close now. Oh, there it is.
Look right up there. See right up there?
Yeah.
There's a spot up there where there's a trail that goes right out to the edge where you can look down. Yeah, I think you gotta. It's over here. Oh, I'm not as young as I used to be.
There's the waterfall. Yes. There's a trail right there too.
Should we try to find that trail?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna go to the trail that leads down so we could look down the waterfall. If we find it.
It's over here.
So, don't think this is gonna have much excitement in it, so I'm just gonna skip to the part where we're looking down. Or I might randomly unpause the video and just talk to you guys. So, oh, I think we might have found it. Right there.
I think so. That's what we were hoping. I think there's another one up there too.
Yeah, this is
That's what we were hoping.
Okay.
We went way down there. We didn't make it there. We went to where it got to a wide path. Yeah. And then we just
Spiders.
look at this, DJ.
Ooh. There's a little cave. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video here until we get there. See you back when we're there. Oh, another cave. This is like a real cave right there.
You gonna go in it?
Hello.
Hey, I will go in there. You can.
I'll go in.
But I want to go in. We'll go in real quick then. Hey, I'm going in. Well, just a minute, Atlas.
You can go in if you want to. He's going in the cave. Is it doing it, TJ? Is it recording? Oh.
It
Alright, go
goes
now.
deep. In the cave, it goes pretty deep down there. When I went in there, I hope you guys were able to see me in there, but geesh. Okay, I'll be pausing it now.
Stay like that for a second, Mom.
Well, I think we're almost there. Can you guys hear it? Oh, let's go. Whew. Oh, I see it. I can see it, but you guys can't yet. Ooh. Ooh. OMG. Jeez. Let's go over here now. Look at the waterfall. that's awesome. And there's like a little baby one right there. Oh, it's awesome. So cool. Whoa. Dad, point it down. Make him look down. Oh God. Ah!
Okay, stop the video.
I will.
I think your sister would love that.
Oh, that was so awesome. I was about to say fun, but yeah, it was fun too. You could see the mist. I don't think you guys can though.
Can you see the mist?
I don't think they can, but I can.
Oh, wow, that is powerful.
Yeah, it's misting very badly. There's a puddle here. Jeez, stupid puddle. Jeez.
Okay.
That is cool. Well, guys, I hope you like seeing the waterfall.
Sit up here and get one?
Just sit up where?
Yeah.
You're like, wait.
Wait.
I'm like, wait. I said wait. We said wait at the same time. Wait, Jinx. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You owe me a soda pop. Haha. And he will buy me one anyways, guys. I don't know why I told you that, but whatever. Wait, are we going down more towards the waterfall? Oh, yep, we are. Look at this. Not that. Oh. Here's the water. Well, here's some of the water. There's it over there. Oh, God.
No, don't go that way, go that way.
Well, that way has more. I'm gonna go right there.
No, go right there. You're gonna slip. Come right here.
Oh my God, I'm sitting. Oh, right there.
Yeah. Actually, that's close enough. Let's not go over there.
But I want to show them over there.
Oh, down the front?
Yeah. Like, no, just stand there and show it going down.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's still.
I'll go over there.
Wait. I gotta tell them.
Okay, let's go. No.